Thank you for joining us today as we'll walk through the reprogramming of the channels on your Kenwood ProTalk Business Radio. My name is Grady Teskey and I'm the sales manager for Kenwood, Kenwood's master ProTalk distributor on the West Coast. Today's walkthrough will cover units TK2300, TK2302, TK3300, and TK3302. First and foremost, thank you for your support of Kenwood and the purchase of your Kenwood ProTalk radio. These out-of-the-box business communication tools are pre-programmed with up to 89 frequencies, 39 quiet tones, and 83 digital quiet tones. These ensure that your conversations are both private and can match any existing radio network. Each of these frequencies, quiet tones, or digital quiet tones are listed in tables in your owner's manuals and referenced by a table number. This makes it simpler to reprogram the units on the radio and in the field. Today you may be following along with me in a user's manual or utilizing Kenwood's authorized walkthrough while I take you step by step through the process. However, be aware that each radio has a 60-second timeout. If you delay more than the 60 seconds in a step, the radio will time out, returning to the defaults, and you'll have to start over. You can prevent this timeout at any time by toggling through your options. On the left side of the radio, you'll notice three buttons. The push-to-talk button, which is the large button on top, and then the two key assignment keys. In our menu today, you can use the push-to-talk button as an enter key and the up and down toggle buttons and your key assignment. So you can toggle through the menu by using up or down on the key assignments. The first thing that you'll need to do when you're reprogramming the radio is make sure that the unit is powered off with a charged battery. Then, locating the push-to-talk button and the first key on the left side of your radio, you're going to depress and hold them while turning on your radio. If done correctly, it should give you a self-announcement and then channel. Today, we're going to reprogram channel 1 to frequency 457.7625 with a quiet tone of 67. If you look into your owner's manual, you'll notice that we're changing the frequency to table 88 and adding a quiet tone on table 1. So, to get prepared, we'll make sure that our unit is turned on to channel 1 with the channel knob on top. Then, we'll depress the push-to-talk button and key 1. Like I said before, we'll know that we've done it correctly when it turns on and says self, then channel.
Self, channel.
Using the buttons, you can toggle through the settings.
Channel, DQT. QT, channel,
and then hit select using push to talk.
Table 89, table 88.
Once you find the table, hit push to talk and it'll allow you to change your channel back to your preferred setting. So now that we've set it on table 88, we're going to go back and change our quiet tone to 67.
QT, QT 1.
Once you're complete, you can turn off your unit. Then, if you take your battery off, or if you power off your unit, your settings are now locked into your radio. You can do this for either multiple channels by using your channel selector knob on top, and also multiple radios. However, we would recommend if you do more than one unit to take advantage of Kenwood's wireless cloning feature, which will allow you to transmit the frequencies and settings of one radio to over 200 units in roughly 5 to 60 seconds. First, make sure you're on the channel you'd like to program. Today, it's channel 1. Locate the push-to-talk button and two selector buttons on the left side of the unit. Depress the top selector button and the push-to-talk button while turning your unit on.
Self, channel, DQT, QT, channel, table 0, table 89, table 88.
You can then use the selector keys to toggle up and down through the menu, and the push-to-talk button acts like the enter key. Once you're completed, turn your unit off to save your settings. Thank you again for your support of Kenwood's ProTalk line of business radios. If you have any other questions, contact your local dealer or Kenwood at 877-533-5331. Thank you very much and have a great day.